Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are tired or sends 10 messages just to plan a meeting with your group, then today's video is for you. I will show you how to schedule group meeting the easy way using Doodle. It's super simple and no more back and forth chats. Let's go step by step. But before we start, please check the description below. I added useful links, updates and Doodle's latest version for 2025. If anything changes in the future, the updated information will be there. Alright, so let's see how to use Doodle to avoid the group chat headache. First, go to the Doodle website and make sure you are logged in. You don't need to download anything. It works well with your browser. So after logging in, just click on this create or create Doodle. Now here you can see some option, and for group meeting you just need to this group poll. Just click on this create. Basically this is the perfect for meeting with friend, team or study groups. Next, you just need to write a title for your meeting. Let's say I'm writing project meeting. You can write the perfect title like birthday planning, project meeting or anything related to the work. Then you can add the location like where the meeting will be or anything location related, and you can add a description also. If you want, you can add a video conference option like Zoom or anything. You can select from here. I'm not going to do that in this tutorial video. Now pick the date and time when you are free. Just click on the Calendly to connect your calendar, or you can choose the time from here like this. Just click on this create and share. Now Doodle will give you a link to share with your group. You can send it in WhatsApp, email or anywhere. Your friends or teammates click the link and they can pick the time that works for them, and they don't need to log in or anything do. So I have created these two. Let's say your friend or any other can select and vote it. You can go back to your Doodle and you can check which time has the most voted, and that's the final meeting time. Then you can confirm the time and maybe send a message to everyone like, okay, we are meeting on that time and this. No more asking, can you do Tuesday, what about Thursday, or someone cannot join, then blah blah. Doodle keeps everything in one place. You just check the votes and pick the best time. It's perfect for school project, teamwork, family plans, anything. And one cool thing, it also works on your phone, so you can use Doodle on the go. So that's it. That's how you schedule group meeting without the headache. If you want to try Doodle or need more help, just check the description. I added everything you need there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.